This is my Bayview 2-stroke, it's a 4 horsepower. It's driving a Bayview orchard spraying pump, a twin piston pump. I'll go a little closer so you can see the insides of the pump. I've taken the cover off so you can see it. Notice the brass oil pump in the middle. It directs oil up into all the various bearings and things. Marvellous little thing. I won't keep it going too long because there's no cooling water at the moment. These Bayview engines were made in Box Hill, Melbourne, Australia. Very common on the fruit orchards to run these spraying pumps.